Hey guys, it's Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, it's just to watch me work. So just pay attention, take what you can from the video, add it to your own technique. Leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll be back. Now I would like to say hey to all the handlers. How are you guys doing? And if it's your first time here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and on this channel I do unboxings, tutorials, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, you're also in the right place. Just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and roll love on you over here. Now this is just a basic quick weave, a full quick weave on a stocking cap. I'm using all short pieces, 27 pieces. I'm using 2 different kinds of brands. I think I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. So, like I said, watch me work. I'm keeping you guys engaged because I'm changing up the background. I'm getting everything together for you guys. But the days are just going by and I'm like, I gotta keep my handlers engaged. So here goes something, and I hope you guys enjoy. And if you're new here, remember to hit that subscribe button. Just hit the subscribe button, guys. Leave a comment. It will get me out there in the algorithms, guys. Get me to 5,000. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. So for all the new handlers, if you want to know how to install a quick weave step by step, there's plenty of videos on my channel where you can see how I do a quick weave. They're basically done all the same once I'm using the short pieces, but just go back and watch. You'll find a lot of things on my channel that I think you might enjoy and that you can add to your own technique. And also, if you want to know how to close a quick weave on your own without that closure that comes in the package, go over to my channel. You will see videos on how to close a quick weave. Matter of fact, I'll have a short video of how to close a quick weave coming up soon. So okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is just something quick, simple, worry-free for when she can just get up and go, like literally. So leave me a comment below, drop a like on the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I love you guys so much. Get me out there to 5,000 guys, and see you guys in the next video. Mwah.